Okay, so this is a foundation question, and it's very typical of the kind of multi-stage questions that you get an awful lot of nowadays. So let's look at what the question's asking us. It says, there are 500 passengers on a train. 7/20ths of the passengers are men, 40% of the passengers are women, and the rest of the passengers are children. Work out the number of children on the train. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is, well, the easiest thing to do is going to be to work out how many men and then how many women. But if you look at how many men first of all, 7/20ths of 500. If you remember, if you're finding a fraction of a quantity, the stages are 500 divided by 20, which of course, if we're not sure of the answer or we're a bit confused, we can cancel, divide by 10, which gives us 50 divided by 2, which is 25. I've got 7 of those though, so I then need to do 25 multiplied by 7. And 25 multiplied by 7 is 175, and that's how many men there are. The next question is how many women? And this time with how many women, we're given different information. We're told it's 40% of the passengers, so I need 40% of 500. Now, this is off a non-calculator paper, so the easiest thing to do is to work out 10% of 500, and that is going to be 50. Once we've got that, we can then say 50 multiplied by 4 is 200, because of course we're looking at 4 lots of 10% to make the 40%. So there are 200 women. Then tells us that the rest of the passengers are children. So we know that I've got 175 men, add 200 women, add the children, and that is to equal 500. So I've got 375 plus the children equals 500, which when I rearrange it gives me that altogether I have 125. So the answer is 125 children. Okay, so like I say, it's very typical of the kind of question that you see a lot in the current GCSE. This is a foundation question, but the skills could quite easily be used in a higher question as well. But hopefully that helps, and hopefully you can see how one step at a time we're able to get closer and closer to the answer. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I'll be back with another video shortly. Bye for now.